हमारे साथ महेंद्र जाकर सर हैं जो कि एक बहुत ही फेमस स्क्रिप्ट राइटर हैं, तो आइए उनसे कुछ सवाल पूछते हैं। हेलो सर। या वॉट एवर यू आर कंफर्टेबल सर। सर आप एक्स जर्नलिस्ट भी रहे हैं और काफ़ी उस फील्ड में भी आपका एक्सपीरियंस है, तो आप उसके बारे में बोलना चाहते हैं कुछ, या जो भी प्रॉब्लम आपने फेस किया हो ऐसा कुछ एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करना चाहते हो?
No, see, I was a journalist with one of the largest English dailies in Delhi. So I worked there as a crime reporter. But एक point के बाद journalism में stagnation हो जाता है आजकल, because now all media houses are owned by corporates. So there are certain stories they won't allow you to do. There are certain things that they won't allow to publish. So you are restricted. So if you are a true writer, actually being a journalist, you are never a writer. You are just gathering information and putting down information that ये blast हुआ, ये murder हुआ, police chief ने ये बोला, यहाँ से ये बोला. So you gather information, and nowadays the norm is 400-500 word का story होना चाहिए and you are done. इससे ज़्यादा नहीं चलता है. So after a point, being a journalist was like too boring actually. I was getting too stagnated. So from Delhi I shifted to Mumbai, and then I started working as a script writer. My first movie was with Mahesh Bhatt, which I did Killer, and then I did a lot of TV shows, a lot of episodes for CID, Mano Ya Na Mano, Sita Geeta, a whole lot of TV stuff. And then I also worked with Tigmanshu Dhulia on the film Shagird. And then another Ketan Mehta's movie, it's based on a true story, Mountain Man, where a man, it's set in Bihar, an untouchable who broke an entire mountain with a hammer and a chisel. So it's a true story that needed to be told, and the movie is ready, and hopefully it will release early next year. But again, being a screenwriter, we writers at least write 5 scripts. उसमें से एक फिल्म बनती है मुश्किल से. तो there were so many stories in my head, and there are some stories जिनका मूवी बनाना बहुत मुश्किल होता है, because production value is so huge and movie is all about budget कि नहीं अरे इसमें तो कोई स्टार कैसे काम करेगा, ये तो 100 करोड़ का है. But you can put that story into a book. I can in a book मैं plane crash करा सकता हूँ, मैं train का accident करा सकता हूँ, any blasts can happen. I can do underwater action sequence. But to shoot an underwater action sequence might require crores. But in a book, I can play anywhere with my imagination. I can do anything I want. And in a book, I can go into the psyche of a person. Like if you are a murderer, you have murdered somebody. मूवी में केवल वो दिखाएंगे आपने मारा किसी को और आप भाग गए. बट इन अ बुक आई कैन गो इनटू योर साइकी. यू हैव जस्ट मर्डर्ड समबडी. नाउ व्हाट यू आर थिंकिंग? आर यू फिल्ड विद गिल्ट, or are you really happy that I have had my revenge? So there is certain amount of psychoanalysis individually. There is certain amount of analysis as a society is concerned. I can comment on society. I can comment on whatever is happening. So it's again a kind of an anatomical study of society, that what, like if I have written a crime thriller book, The Butcher of Banaras, and along with a thriller story I've tried to do a kind of a surgery on the society. Why is there so much of crime happening? Is there a solution or is there no solution? In spite of the police, in spite of laws coming up, why is it that the crime rate is going up? Rapes are happening. The Supreme Court has passed such stringent laws. Nothing has changed. Why is it happening? So as a writer, I'm trying to question it. Maybe I don't have the answers, but I can question it, and I can make people question that. As a writer, my job is not only to entertain. At times I shock, shake, jolt, and kick people in the guts to make them think. So now I'm enjoying being an author, being a screenwriter, and maybe I also want to progress to being a filmmaker. So next step is to direct a film.
सर आप नॉन फिक्शन स्टोरीज़ पे ज़्यादा बिलीव करते हो, या उनकी तरफ ज़्यादा अट्रैक्ट होते हो, या फिक्शन स्टोरीज़ पे ज़्यादा?
I'm totally for fiction. Non-fiction actually is very boring. Nobody has learned anything from non-fiction. आपके पास बहुत सारे लोग आएंगे कॉलेज में. They will do all sorts of inspirational lectures. You will read an inspirational book on Gandhi or any big business tycoon. You can read a book on Bill Gates. You will be inspired for one day and you will forget everything. आज तक कोई किसी की कहानी पढ़ के चेंज नहीं हुआ कि महात्मा गांधी की कहानी पढ़ी किसी ने और गांधी बन गए. कोई नहीं बना आज तक. But I think it's only a fictional story that can really do little transformation in an individual. गांधी फिल्म देख के किसी ने गांधी नहीं सीखा, मुन्ना भाई देख के गांधी सीखा सबने। एक गैंगस्टर जब आपको गांधी की कहानी सुनाता है तो आप सीख जाते हो, लेकिन जब गांधी, और वो भी हॉलीवुड के इतने बड़े डायरेक्टर ने आके गांधी बनाई, इट वॉज अ ग्रेट फिल्म, बट किसी को गांधी समझ में नहीं आया कि गांधी की फिलॉसफी क्या है। लेकिन जब गैंगस्टर समझाता है तो आपको समझ में आ जाता है। सो आई थिंक फिक्शन हैज़ मच 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 मोर पावर देन नॉन फिक्शन।
सर आपने बहुत सारे बड़े जैसे महेश भट्ट हो गए या सीआईडी इन सब में काम किया, और आप एक इंडिपेंडेंट स्क्रिप्ट राइटर हो, तो आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा उनके साथ?
No, it's a wonderful, wonderful experience. Especially, I mean, Mahesh Bhatt Saab, he's a great, he's a legend, and you get to learn so much from him. That, especially in an action thriller, he says action is not important. It is the emotional connect that is important. तभी आप उनकी फिल्म में देखोगे, उनकी फिल्म में ऐसा कोई इतना ज़्यादा एक्शन नहीं हो रहा है, but romance, relationships, those are very important. So you learn that from him. From CID, I learned the structure, that how to structure an entire thriller, a murder story, an investigative detective story. So that CID actually was my schooling into writing thrillers. And from there, somewhere, yes, वो जो कहते हैं ना कीड़ा जगा कि यार मुझे भी एक किताब लिखनी चाहिए. So my first book, The Butcher of Anaras, came out, and somewhere, yes, I learned a lot from CID.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर हमारे साथ जुड़े रहने के लिए।